Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. Today's weird day because I googled on how to have the loudest sneeze ever. Yep, and it's all about vegetables. I do not like vegetables, guys. I do not like vegetables. I do not. So I tried and ate all of them. Wasn't that nice, but I ate them. So now I have the lightest sneeze because I made it weird because it was coming. I'm trying to get it again. Wait, okay. I usually always sneeze when I sneeze. Wait, because I can feel all the feathers inside. Yep. Okay, wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe.